From my crucifix, I'm going to get my hands onto the floor. I'm going to walk myself out so that way my hips are now away from the pole, and I've got my hands about shoulder width apart. I'm going to start by taking my front leg off. I want to bring it down as low as I can, so now it's parallel to the floor. I'm going to bring my hips down with it. At this point, I can't get my hips any lower to the ground, which means my back leg also has to come off and it will meet with my other leg. From here, I'm going to focus on keeping my legs nice and straight, and I'm now going to bring my legs and my hips down. So I want my whole body, shoulders, bum, and my legs to be all parallel to the floor. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this process will hurt, especially if you haven't done it before. You're going to need to take some time to desensitize those thighs. So what I recommend is get it done quickly. Remember, right now, I've done this in slow-mo just so you can see how this is working. So if I was you, I'd loosen the thighs, get yourself leveled off as quickly as possible, and you're all good. Now we've got the difficult, painful part out of the way, we're now just going to focus on coming down to the ground, keeping ourselves nice and level. So just loosen the thighs and slowly bring yourself down.